In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact in Google Drive. Whether you're a seasoned user of Google's services or someone just starting out, managing your contacts effectively can make a world of difference in your productivity and communication. So let's dive into this task with a quick and easy walkthrough that will have you adding contacts in no time at all. To begin with, navigate your way to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the address drive.google.com. If you're already logged in, you should reach your Google Drive homepage directly. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account credentials. Once you've arrived at your Google Drive dashboard, focus your attention on the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice a few different icons here. What you're going to look for is a blue icon, typically symbolizing a person, often associated with your Google contacts. This icon is an essential gateway to managing your communication links efficiently from within Google Drive. When you click this blue contacts icon, a window will slide open from the right side of your screen. This convenient panel gives you a snapshot of your existing contacts and multiple management options without having to leave the comfort of your current page. Inside this window, you're going to see an option that says Create Contact. It's usually displayed prominently towards the top, and clicking on it will allow you to input a new addition to your contact list. This is an especially useful feature if you've just met someone new and need to ensure their information is stored safely and can be accessed easily later on. After clicking Create Contact, a form will pop up, prompting you to enter the details of the contact you're looking to add. Typically, you'll fill in spaces such as the person's name, email address, phone number, and any other pertinent information that you have on hand. While this step may seem standard, providing as much detail as possible right now will save you time and hassle later, ensuring that you can easily identify and reach the person whenever necessary. Once you've typed in all the necessary information and double-checked that everything is correctly entered, you simply confirm your entries. You'll usually find a Save or Done button to click, finalizing the addition of your new contact to your list. And just like that, you've effectively used Google Drive to manage and add a new contact. By following these steps, you've streamlined an essential part of your communication process, seamlessly integrating it within Google Drive's robust ecosystem. So, as you continue to connect with people in your personal and professional life, you'll find this feature instrumental in keeping your network organized and readily accessible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.